Hello, welcome to Exai's editor. In this video, we will show you how to edit the article widget. Left-click on the article widget and then hold the click while dragging it. Drop it by releasing the mouse on the preferred position within the website. To edit the article, hover over the widget and click on the pencil icon. Once in the edit mode, a submenu will appear with different options for editing your widget. Let's type something. You can type your text or just paste it if you already have ones ready. To change the font on the selected text, click on the text submenu. Click on the font search icon and choose a font from the list. Select the preferred font. A list of font faces will appear. You can choose the font face by selecting the font. Click Done. And you will see your font and font style loaded in the drop-down menu. You can load multiple fonts and font styles. Select a font or font style, click Done, and it will show up in the fonts drop-down menus. Let's load some more fonts. Search, select preferred font, select its styles, and click Done. As you can see, the Cairo font is loaded as well as the style. Select and delete the unwanted text. Now select the text you want it to change. Choose a font, font style, and font size from the drop-down menus. To change the color of the font, first select the text, click on the text color icon, and select a color from the color picker. Select a side to see the changes. To highlight the text, select the text and click on the highlight icon. Choose preferred color from the color picker. Click aside to see the changes. To change the alignment, select the text and choose and click on one of the offered options. To underline your text, click on the underline icon. To remove the underline, select the text again and click on the icon. To strike through your text, select your text and click on the strike through icon. To remove the strike through, select the text again and click on the icon. Again, the text submenu allows you to make changes on a selected text. To link a text, you must first select a text you want to link. Then click on the Create Link icon. An additional window will appear. You have multiple options. By clicking a page from the sitemap, you will be linking a text with that page. Click Done. Click Aside, and if your text is colored blue, you have successfully linked. Now select your text again. Click on the Create Link icon, and then select External URL and enter a link. Click Done. Click Aside and check if you have linked correctly. To show or hide the header, click on the header icon. To edit the header, hover over and click it. You can change your header level by clicking and choosing from the drop-down menu. You can change the style of a selected text from Text Editor. Select the text and choose a font style, and font size from the drop-down menus. Click Aside to see the changes. To change the text color, select the text, click on the text color icon, and choose a color from the color picker. To highlight your text, select it, click on the highlight icon, and choose a color. To remove the highlight, select your text, click on the highlight icon again, and choose transparent color. To underline your header, select the text and click on the underline icon. To remove the underline, select your text again and click the icon. To set the alignment, select the text and choose from the options given. When you're all done with the editing, click Done and Back, and click on the Save button located on the upper right-hand corner.